My dear Aquarius, welcome back. On Monday, your heart is telling you one thing, but your logical mind may be saying something else entirely. Be careful right now. A non hurried, gentle approach will help you make the right choices because letting your sexy spontaneity take over could be fun in this moment, but it will complicate things in the long run. The emotional sector is also influenced by the moon, so you can have emotional issues as well. You should stay away from all the arguments. During this week, you need a lot of sleep. Tuesday prediction says it's not your style to rely on the status quo in your love life, and it isn't your jam to allow routine to overtake your romantic interactions. However, it may not be possible to follow your dreams of love today, especially if doing so would mean breaking the shelter in place paradigm we all have to abide by at this time. The solar transit through the sector of health can make you health conscious. You can have some concerns regarding your health in general. Digestive issues can also come up, and you should try to have a moderate and healthy diet. You should avoid junk food and eat home cooked food. Water intake is very important, and that can improve your digestion. On Wednesday, a conscious shift toward an attitude of gratitude will remind you that there's plenty to be happy about. Even if you're not able to pursue your passions right this minute, discovering ways to feel grateful and abundant is within your power, especially if you realize that your situation is temporary. Anticipation can boost romance in unexpected ways right now. On Thursday, you definitely have some excitement happening in your love life. New moon lands in your 8th house of intimacy, opening the door for an erotic exchange with someone you find enticing. If you're single, this can be someone who completely overwhelms your senses and who you meet quite suddenly. If you're in a relationship, you and your partner are sure to enjoy a unique sexual experience that includes just a hint of something taboo to keep you interested. On Friday, if you're single, you are likely not interacting with many new people while practicing social distancing. But there's still a chance you could meet someone who has a background very different than yours when Venus creates a stable link to Saturn, now in your romantic sector. This person might be older and wiser or younger and brighter. Either way, the differences will enthrall you. On Saturday, a new moon in your 8th house of shared resources is very exciting. You could receive unexpected but happy news about a credit or loan application or a tax matter. It's all in your favor. As far as love goes, if you're single, then you might not trust the words someone is saying to you. This person might be interested in you, but feeding you what you want to hear rather than what's real. On Sunday, if you're in a relationship, things look amazing for you. A new moon lands in your partnership sector, bringing a happy surprise from your mate. It's also possible you'll become engaged or decide to marry in near future. An unexpected move might breathe new life into a stale marriage. Be open. Maybe all you needed was a change of scenery.
How are you doing, Aquarius? Okay, now Monday. You may have an influence on your work, career, and money sector. Now, don't panic, but know this: when you experience some instability or some urge in your professional or financial life, it's perfectly alright to feel unsettled every now and then. No, we have all been there, so that's fine, but you will want to do something different to escape the monotony. You will not see things happening the way it used to be. Rather, don't jump into anything. without thinking about it long and hard. That's pretty much how Monday is going to be. Now on Tuesday, you will bring in a few complications with regards to your financial conditions. According to the financial horoscope, you may suffer a financial loss. Now I'm very saddened to hear that and say that to you. Or you may end up spending a little extra cash this year. But that does not mean that you cannot bounce back. No one's holding you back here. Things will pick up, and as per the astrological findings in your horoscope, it's rather going to be a fruitful year for you financially, but this is just a temporary phase. Alright, now hang in there. On Wednesday, you can expect an increase in money. Inflow of income will be more than great for you. See what I meant when I said about Tuesday? The period starting from today looks especially bright. Certain surprises are in store for you as well. You can expect things to be more positive for sure. Now on Thursday, things will start getting unfavorable. Unfortunately, crafty Mercury becomes deliberated in a dualistic nature. Now this means that your finance have the chance of hitting a rock bottom for a temporary period, but that is just for the phase. This period will improve to be the utmost challenging phase for you. But you do not worry, because the situation will definitely improve in accordance with the forecast of your financial horoscope. Now, towards the latter part of this week on Friday, you will need to plan your finances way ahead and make sure that you do not overspend. Controlling your finances in a creative manner will help you push through the phase, and you are likely to come out of it successfully. Alright, now towards the weekend on Saturday, after Mercury enters in your fire sign, the situation on the financial front will be on fire and will begin to amaze you. Refrain from taking any major decisions related to finance on the second half of the day. I'll tell you why in a moment. Even though your financials will be fairly good, there is no point taking any risks overall, because planetary position keeps changing. Overall, you are to remain in a healthy financial position on Saturday. Now, towards the end of the week, on the coming Sunday, Sunday is a great period to focus on fresh new starts. You will be starting new projects, working on new opportunities, and embarking on new journeys. You will have a lot of energy and motivation for them. You will be more proactive and more independent, and you'll be so proud of your strong pioneering spirits. You'll be smarter with your choices and changes that you will need to make. You will be more adventurous and creative, and you will have the time of your life. Have a great, awesome week ahead.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.